Colonel Espinido, punta ho tayo sa page 6 dun sa affidavit ninyo. And please go to number 34. Pakibasa niyo lang po yung first sentence na sasalaysay ninyo.
From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country, Your Honors.
Is that true?
Yes, Your Honors.
Mabigat, Colonel, itong salaysay na ito, ha? I will not ask you the names now, pero sa executive session na rin. Are you saying all of this because malapit na po kayong mag-retire sa serbisyo?
Yes, Your Honors.
And you seem to be so displeased. Hindi ho kayo naging masaya sa mga panghitabo ba? Sa mga pangyayari?
Yes, Your Honors.
Thank you. Let's go to yung famous na statement mo, paragraph 34. From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country. Ang ibig mo bang sabihin, yung Chief PNP ang Lord of Crime? Kasi pag sinabi mo na yung PNP ang isang crime syndicate, ang big boss niyan ay yung Chief PNP. Siya ba ang big boss ng criminal syndicate known as the Philippine National Police?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ang Chief PNP, siya kasi, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, it's very obvious na siya lahat, galing sa kanya lahat ang instruction.
During the time of what? Of who?
General Bato, Your Honor,
General
Mr. Chair.
De La Rosa. So, nung panahon na yon, when you say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in the country, ang leader ng crime group na yon ay si General De La Rosa.
It may be, Your Honor.
No,
I'm not
asking
referring
you kasi
for the PNP.
tinatanong kita dahil yun ang statement mo eh. Di ba? From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country. Who is the leader of the PNP, which you consider as the crime group? Hindi ba yung Chief PNP?
Yes,
And
sir.
therefore, he is the Lord.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Would that be a correct conclusion of mine?
I am with you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.